If your camera isn't showing an image, use this guide to diagnose the issue with the test cable. To use the test cable, disconnect the cable that connects the control box to the reel, then connect the test cable to the control box. Next, disconnect the camera head from the pushrod and use the opposite end of the test cable to connect the camera head. If you get a picture, that means the problem is either in the pushrod or slip ring and encoder. If you don't get a picture, there is a problem with either the control box or camera. To narrow the issue down between the pushrod and slip ring and encoder, reconnect the control box to the reel. Then disconnect the slip ring and encoder from the pushrod and connect the test cable. Finally, connect the camera head to the opposite end. If you have an image, the problem is in your pushrod. If you still don't have an image, the problem is the slip ring and encoder. If you have any questions or are still experiencing an issue, please make sure to reach out to our team.